Today's makeup brand focus is KJH brand. So for those of you that don't know, this brand is by Katie Jane Hughes, who is a makeup artist. In fact, I have known her for years. Back when Real Techniques first started, we used to do lots of trade shows and we would always bump into Katie at them. At the time, she was working for Butter London, doing nails, although she was a makeup artist. And I just love to see what she's doing now, how she's thriving and growing, and she travels the world doing celebrities. She does doing Dua Lipa's tours always. She was doing Ashley Graham before, and I just love to see people being really, really successful doing what they love. The reason I've chosen to use KJH today is because I'm popping out, so I don't want tons of makeup on. I just want lovely skin, glowy skin, easy to use makeup, so I am reaching for KJH. Let's start with the Precision Sculptures Stylo pencils. These are available in 5 shades. So first let me show you the colours. Etch, which is a neutral nude beige. We've got Chisel, which is a cool taupe. Engrave, which is a warm chocolate brown. Carve, which is a neutral rich brown. And Forge, which is a cool black brown. These are individually £23, or you can buy them all for £105. I imagine it's makeup artists that might want the whole range. I'm going to start with Etch, and I'm just going to use that around my lips. And I'm following my lip line, but just over it, so it creates a nice natural shadow. I'm just using it on the outer side of my lip, so it doesn't give you that harsh, overdrawn lip look, but just enhance the lips. And these are a lovely matte, soft pencil, but they do have enough time to kind of smudge them, which is what you want. So that one's Etch, and it's £23. I'm then going to take a little bit of Chisel and just pop it here. If you're someone that likes to contour the nose, you could use them there. I have quite a wide, flat bridge to my nose, which my husband pointed out to me the other day. I didn't know. He was like, yeah, but you've got quite a flat nose. I was like, have I? He said, yeah, you've got a really wide bridge and a flat nose. I was like, I never knew that, but now I can't unsee it. He wasn't being mean. We were just chatting about noses. And I was like, oh my God, I've got a really flat, wide ridge. I always wondered why I couldn't contour my nose, because it's just too wide and flat here. So I've just put a little line there. I'm going to take her number 2 brush, which is £25, and just little circular motions just to buff that in there. And it just sucks those cheeks in. You can also use that to J-Lo under here. And that's just creating a nice shadow under there, so it pushes it up, rather than if this is too light, you can see it kind of reflects. So it's just taken away that. Let's take Engrave here. And this is brush number 1, which is £23. Just creating a little bit of shadow. I may as well use them all. Let's do Forge, which is the darkest colour, just in here. I'm just going to smudge that across. And then for a full house, let's do Carve underneath. This one is a neutral rich brown. Just want to create that natural shadow under there. Oh, that's a lovely warm colour. Add some of my Rum mascara because it's my go-to. Next we have Soft Smudge Lip and Cheek. These are £23 and available in 7 shades. Hopefully you can see the colours okay. We have got Soft Raisin, Soft Berry, Soft Coral, Soft Pink, Soft Cherry, Soft Orchid, Soft Tomato. So these are available in 7 shades. Individually they're £23. You can get 3 of them for £65, or you can get all of them for £105. So these are cream to powder. I'm going to go with Soft Berry. And I'm just going to pop it on the back of a brush first. You can use it on your hand, use it with your finger, use it straight on your cheeks, but I just want it quite nice and light. So by using a brush, I'm going to get a lighter payoff. I just want it to just kiss my cheeks a bit. I'm not wearing much makeup, so I don't want much on. But you can really see how the pigment starts to build really nice and subtly, but it doesn't look like you've got anything on, which I like. I'm going to take that just through here as well, what's left on the brush. Because I do like the tones to all blend together. I'm going to take a little bit of the soft pink and just run it through here. Don't want much. Next we have the Hyper Shine Light Pigment. These are available in 4 colours. I actually only have 2 of them. I have light gold and light bronze. I'm actually just going to take the bronze and place it over my eyelid here with my finger. These are a really lovely creamy consistency, and because I'm not really wearing any other makeup, I know it's not going to break down my makeup, so I'm fine to put it on my eyes. And actually I don't mind if it does break it down, because I quite like that. Oh, I want the gold one in there as well now. Putting it in. I'm keeping the bronzer one more to the middle, and the gold I'm kind of dotting around it. I'm going to pop the gold on my cheeks, but I'm going to add the serum with it as well, which is £25. £25, we can get a bundle with a brush, and it's £66. So I'm going to pop the serum here. I'm going to pop my brush into here and pick up plenty of product and then pop it on here. And then I'm going to just softly brush it over my cheeks. So the pigment just comes out and adds a slight sheen. Look at that, it's so nice. So there you have the finished KJH brand. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you've loved the brand, tried it, whatever your views are, pop them down below, let the community know, and also let me know who you want to see next.